Welcome to the revolution in online marketing, where innovation meets simplicity. Introducing MyEcon, the cash flow company, and our remarkable system, the weekly pay secret, that's literally breaking the internet. Imagine starting every week with 50 brand new buyer leads uploaded directly into your back office. Yes, you heard it right. Every single member benefits with 50 fresh and eager buyer leads every week. These aren't just contacts. They're ready-to-buy buyers. But it doesn't stop there. The magic truly begins as the autoresponder takes over, marketing to these leads on autopilot. Sit back and watch as passive cash and signups roll in seamlessly. Here's how it works. Admins upload leads weekly, so you don't have to. Automated emails are sent out on your behalf. Forget about buying leads, paying for clicks, or spending on ads. There's no need to chase people or post ads and videos unless you choose to. Best of all, absolutely no learning curve required. This is a game changer, taking the industry by storm and outperforming traffic vendors in every way imaginable. Join us and experience the future of marketing today.